Hey guys, you're watching TechLord. My name is Aditya Rajaraman and this is the unboxing of Soundcore Liberty Air 2 Pro. Let's get started. Okay, so we have the box here. I wouldn't call this box like the best quality when it comes to earphone boxes, but it's certainly well built. So here we have basic information about the earphones and its noise cancelling features on the left side, which basically has different modes, different varieties of noise cancellation. And on the right side, we have the box itself, the charging case, and the earphones, which are placed outside the case just so that they don't run out of charge. Okay, so let's see what else is in the box. Let's get the top portion out. So we have a charging cable. So the charging cable is a Type C cable, thankfully, and it's actually pretty long, so that might be helpful as well. We have a user manual, which basically nobody goes through, and we have a bunch of ear tips. In case the pre-installed ear tips that come with the earphones don't fit you perfectly, one of these ear tips must actually fit you pretty well. All right, so let's get the boring stuff out of the way. So now we have the charging case and the earphones themselves. So let's get the earphones out of this top portion. The earphones are built very well. I have no complaints in the build department of these earphones. They also come with this like plastic covering that protects these earphones. For a moment, I thought there might be something inside this top portion as well, but there isn't. So let's get to the charging case. Now this charging case also supports Qi wireless charging, and there is also this battery indicator which is denoted by three LED lights. So you basically have a rough idea of how much battery is there. And you also have a charging indicator for these earphones when the earphones are put inside the charging case. That case is actually pretty addictive. So this is what we get with the Soundcore Liberty Air 2 Pro. A detailed review of these earphones is already scheduled to release at 4 p.m. tomorrow, which is Monday. So make sure you're subscribed and tuned in for the same. My name is Aditya Rajaraman and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.